In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Notion page by adding a custom cover image. This is a great way to make your workspace not only more visually appealing, but also more uniquely yours. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, ensure you have your Notion page open and ready to go. Take a moment to look at the top banner area of your page. This space is where we will add a cover image. To begin, you'll want to hover your mouse over this top banner area. You'll notice an option will appear that says Add Cover. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on Add Cover, you'll see a default image pop up as the cover for your page. It's not quite personalized yet, but not to worry, we're about to change that. Directly beneath this newly added cover image, you'll see an option labeled Change Cover. Clicking this will open up a world of possibilities for your page's design. Now, you'll be presented with several options from which you can source your cover image. The first option is Unsplash. By selecting this, you have access to a vast library of free-to-use images. Imagine searching for keywords that resonate with your preferences like minimal, nature, or aesthetic. This gives you a range of unique and professional-looking images to choose from, adding a personal touch to your workspace. Alternatively, if you have a specific image in mind from your personal collection, you can opt for the upload option. This allows you to select and add a photo directly from your computer. Think about a favorite photograph or perhaps an artwork you've created that inspires you. Having something personal like this featured on your Notion page can really set the tone for a more enjoyable and inspiring workspace. If you prefer using an image hosted online, the link option is your go-to. By pasting the image's URL here, you can utilize any image from the web that you have permission to use. This option is handy for those who love the flexibility and varied choice the internet has to offer. After you've chosen and set your cover image, there may be a moment when you feel like adjusting how the image sits on the page. To fine-tune the appearance, click on Reposition. This feature allows you to focus on a particular part of the image you want visible, ensuring it looks just right at the very top of your page. And there you have it. Adding and customizing a cover image on Notion is straightforward and can significantly enhance your workspace experience. Remember, your Notion page is your canvas, an extension of your personality and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy Notion customizing!